What is up, YouTube, and welcome back to another video. We out in Sarasota today, dude. I had to wake up so early. This Cars and Coffee out here. Oh my god, it starts way too early, dude. It's 7:40 right now, but I live an hour and a half away. I think I was up at 5:30 getting on the bike. But whatever. Had to stop and get some gas, get some caffeine, but we met up with the boy. Hell yeah, he drove even further than me. Shit. But yeah, we gonna head out to this Cars and Coffee. Couldn't really record the morning ride here. It was just way too dark, but yeah, let's get to it. We're gonna pull up, see really what's going on. Gotta start the old action cam. I'll follow you. Y'all really gotta see these bikes in person to really appreciate the carbon accents. Personally, I don't have any carbon yet, but on his bike, dude, that thing is pretty much carboned out, except for the white. Anything that's white he kept, but hopefully y'all could actually see to appreciate the detail, dude. That shit looks so clean. Definitely had like a whole intro ride planned out and stuff like that, but when I woke up, dude, I was so unmotivated. Oh boy. So I guess the intro, boys, is gonna be a little short on this one, but hey, it is what it is. Supras, the Skylines, the 240s, okay. Oh damn, it smells like straight gas too, boys. Damn, son. Right hand drive. Okay, that shit look clean. 240. The Supra's all lined up too. They don't want the smoke though. They don't want the smoke. Wow, okay. I'm not that tired anymore. Wait for me. Wait for me. Oh boy. All right. Made it to the event. Let's walk around, see what we got. I'll bring y'all along with me. right. Hey, this is a pretty large turnout. It was pretty sick, actually. Definitely worth the drive, worth the early morning, but there's only so many times you could walk around in a circle before you're ready to move on to the next big adventure, you feel me? Yeah. Alright, y'all, we about to hop on my boy's bike here. It's tuned. It's stage 1 tuned, but it's lowered, it's tuned. I'm sure it's going to make a hell of a difference in terms of how it feels, how it pulls, all the things. We're going to hop on the highway real quick. We're just doing a quick bike swap, but this is going to be legit, dude. Look at all this carbon, bro. Look at all this carbon. And I'm definitely excited to see.
Everything's off.
Yeah, I got you. It feels so much better lowered. He's got heated grips on right now. It is way too hot for all that. Damn! Lowered is the way to go. So the quick shifter does feel the same. Again, this is a stage 1 tune. It's a BT Moto stage 1. The quick shifter, in terms of how quick it activates, feels the same. I'm sure there's a way to adjust that. Damn, bro. This thing gets so much louder than my bike, though, for real. Oh, wow. Second gear is alive, boys. If you know anything about the stock tune, second gear is completely dead. Second gear already feels faster. Second already feels faster. It being lowered even makes it feel lighter. I know for a fact this comes up in second. But man, dude, this feels so much better lowered. Oh yeah, baby. Oh yeah. So much better, boys. A tune is a must. A tune is a must. Wow. That feels good. Holy cow. And I'm going stage 2 right off the rip. I wonder what that's going to be like, dude. I'm excited to see. Wow. Yes, sir. It makes you just want to go fast. There's the bike. I love that thing. Hopefully y'all can see the color better. Feels good, dude. Feels good. It's always nice to hear your bike too. You know what I mean? Like off of it. God damn, dude. This bike, the exhaust, because I have the stock muffler still, so the exhaust is out further towards the bike. This exhaust is like underneath you almost to the right. And God, when it backfires, dude, it's like underneath your helmet, dude. It just takes up I don't know. No, man, seeing my bike next to me, dude, that thing, I think it looks good. Drop in the comments below what you think. White or this metallic grayish blue? It's pretty nice, dude. It's different. Oh yeah. Did you feel second gear?
That's how mine was when I first got it.
There is no second gear.
I almost took the bike over because I was trying to kick him down and lean farther.
Yep. And I looked at this one because, dude, I thought it wasn't down all the way. All right, y'all, we are back in Southwest Florida. Man, it's only noon. I'm exhausted. A lot of riding, early morning riding. But hey, the event was definitely worth it. I don't think I will go to it, every month. But I think if I got a free Saturday, nothing else to do, it's probably be on the top 3 list to do, But yeah, if anybody's ever interested in going to that meet, that is Cars and Coffee 941 in Sarasota, Florida at the UTC Mall. Would recommend. I think it's an event, But anyway, guys, thanks for checking out my video. Like, comment, subscribe. Stay safe out there. See you on the next one.